Hey guys, check it out. I got this live stingray for my mukbang video.
Peter, that's incredibly dangerous. Are you sure about this?
Don't worry, Lois. I'm a professional. I've done this a million times.
Oh, Cody, I love it when Dad puts his life in danger for the sake of internet fame.
Seriously, Peter, this is so stupid. You're gonna get hurt.
Yeah, Dad.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I agree with Meg and Chris. This is reckless and unnecessary.
Come on, you guys, where's your sense of adventure? Plus, think of all the views we'll get.
Fine, do whatever you want, but don't come crying to me when something goes wrong.
All right, here goes. Nothing chokes. Chokes. All right, here, tin chokes. Think. Chokes. Hit pop.
It seems Dad can't handle the stingray.
Oh my god, he's actually choking. Somebody call an ambulance.
Workers, call 911.
Honest, hang in there, Peter.
This was bound to happen. Typical Peter.